Hey, it's Lisa with an Appetizing Life, and today I'm making a sheet pan full of honey roasted beets, carrots, and parsnips. Okay, so I've been trying to do more sheet pan dishes and like bringing as many vegetables onto the pan as possible. So today I've got these beets, which, oh my gosh, a lot of leaves. But don't throw these away. You can put a little olive oil, garlic, some red pepper flakes, saute these up, delicious. But let's get back to the recipe I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna cut the tops off, save those greens. Now I'm gonna give these a good scrub and peel them. So I'm cutting the beets, and if you notice, I'm doing it on paper. That's just me because these things stain like crazy, and I don't feel like cleaning up my board too much, so I just use a little parchment paper. See what I mean? Look at my hands. Peel and dice the parsnips. Parsnip ice cream cone. I don't know, it looks like something. Then peel and dice the carrots. Oops, one got away. Okay, I'm gonna strip a little thyme. And let's mince that up a little bit. We're going to mince a little garlic. So now I'm going to add the olive oil, a little honey to bring out the sweetness of the vegetables, salt, black pepper, and a little lemon juice. I love my little juicer. It's so satisfying. I'm going to mix everything together. So colorful. I have my sheet pan prepped with parchment paper. Let's just roll those out. And spread them out so they're not on top of each other, so everything cooks evenly. I'm gonna pop these in the oven at about 425 for about an hour, maybe an hour, 15 minutes. Everybody's oven is different. I'm guessing an hour in this one. Now I'm gonna check in with these, give them a little flip while they're cooking, and pierce them with a fork to see when they're done. And there it is, a colorful bowl of roasted beets, carrots, and parsnips. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Just ring that bell wherever it is. And I will see you next time with something delicious. Time to eat.